What is up, mga Repa Pips? So, if you are experiencing cracks or dry lips, you should try that not Burton's, Burt's Beeswax Lip Balm. Not Burton. Burton is a brand of jackets. So we're just going now to Costco. We're crossing the street. And then on that previous video, I didn't try the lip balm yet. And so now I am going to try it because Kate told me that there is an aftertaste of something or a flavoring on that lip balm, which I didn't see. So watch the video until the end and witness or watch what's the flavor on that Burt's Bees lip balm, not Burton. I'm just gonna try the yellow one, and then I found out that there's a flavor, but it says here 100% natural origin with responsibly sourced beeswax. That's what it says here. And then I just found out that Kay told me that
I don't think it's a flavor.
this this one tastes like or smells like peppermint. So I'm gonna try it. Hmm. Yeah, smells like peppermint. But I'm pretty sure that it doesn't have any add-ons because it says here it's 100% origin beeswax. All right, yeah, here. So I just saw it. I just saw it now. It says here with vitamin E and peppermint. I don't know if you could see that one right now in your screen, but if not, I'm going to take a picture of it and then share it with you. So if any one of you out there who's allergic or doesn't like the smell of a peppermint, so here you go. At least you know that this one has a flavoring sort of a peppermint. So yep. So this is. Then I'm gonna try the other one with the. Oh yeah. See. Oh, Ooh, I could feel the mint. So it's really peppermint added up on the beeswax uh, lip balm. So it's really peppermint then. All right. So yep. So if you don't like the smell of peppermint, don't buy this one because you won't like it. But I'm gonna try the other one later on, with the one with a gray covering, and see if there is any peppermint or any add-on flavors.